It's the word, y'all. Maybe before my birthday.
Right. Little cheers to all the blessings to 3XGP and Jay's birthday.
Yeah, you gotta clink it. That's just ass. Alright, so right now, headed to Clinton for a snowball fight. Then after, going to Washington Square for another snowball fight, because Side Talk posted. He's gonna lit all day, y'all.
There it is, right.
Catch y'all. So we back, y'all. Clinton was fucking dead.
That dude was like low key snowman.
According to Chase.
Was it actually?
Now we on our way, like I said, to West 4th, Washington Square. Starts at 3, Side Talk said. It's 3:24. We're a little bit late, but not that late. The train.
In the game right now.
We're on the train right now. Headed to Washington Square. So, I'm glad the trains came. I'm glad they weren't like fully like shut off.
Yeah, because I don't know why the Port Authority entrance was like.
Yeah, they were locked. They said there's no trains to Jersey.
Yeah, I'd be tight.
Imagine like.
Imagine my son Aiden came to visit.
Yikes.
My son not going to school tomorrow.
That's it. So yeah, catch you in a few.
I would like to see the
All
world
right.
like
Yeah, West 4th now, y'all.
Yo, Washington Square is not far away, and there's probably gonna be at least 200-300 people there. I'm not gonna lie. Well, this shit really crazy out here, y'all. Like, look at our city.
Hold up, Brenner. Damn!
Yo, did you get that?
Look it.
Look, how did that happen?
No, he jumped in.
That shit was crazy.
We doing
Yo,
drive-bys, y'all?
I think my back out and piss, bro. I dead ass have to pee.
Damn. Here you go. There's mad snow there.
Holy shit, there's mad people. Where's Side Talk at?
Yo, this shit actually looks crazy, bro.
Everyone say hi, YouTube!
Damn.
Anyway. Oh shit! Oh shit. No, they wildin'. Knock him out? What are we doing here? Damn! Oh shit! Oh my god! He's right here. Get him, KO! Yo, get that nigga KO! Oh shit, cheese! Yo, huh? Let's go KO. Oh my camera! No! Oh yeah, KO! Oh yeah! Hey, get his legs! Get his legs!
Get his leg!
Get his legs!
Shoot! Don't kick him! Beat his ass!
Grab his butt! Oh, dummy! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no, KO! Yo, KO got KO'd! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! He got that nigga! Oh, he's wildin'! He's wildin'! Oh shit! God damn! Oh yeah, get back in blood, Chase!
All we got niggas on this side is pussy, nigga!
Yeah. Oh, nigga, I'm pussy on this shit!
Oh, that nigga just stopped it.
Get! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Whoever do that, your mom's a bitch!
Oh, he's wildin'!
That's not over there. Them niggas mad pussy.
Oh!
This side we aim for straight head.
Yeah!
You from Staten Island, you soft, and we coming for you.
Whoa!
Yo, who just head tapped the cameraman?
Record. I'm about to hit my son KO.
I know that wasn't you. Might be the crack. Oh!
Damn! 3, 2, 1, throw backwards. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit! Oh yeah, yo, we here! Oh yeah, we here. What's the word? What's the word? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Oh my glove. Pussy. Fuck that side, nigga. What's the word, y'all? Oh shit! Get the fuck out of here! I'm about to give him a tree. I'm about to give him a tree. Oh yeah, he got it. Oh yeah, Jay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spider nigga.
I was the one who's doing it.
Oh shit! No! 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 Stop! 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 No! Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Jay! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! No! No! Jay, no! Jay, no! No! Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Jay, no! Leave him alone! Jay, Jay, no! No! Stop! Jay, I'm sorry, I have to turn on you! Oh, he's... No! Leave Jay alone! No, leave Jay alone! Leave Jay alone! Jay! No! No, Jay! Jay, get him! Ah! Oh yeah, Jay! Yo, Jay, over here! Jay! Leave my mans alone!
Fuck that nigga.
Yeah, that's my mans, but that's my mans, but fuck that nigga.
Oh God. Why you camping? Tell me to come down, fight like a nigga. Come on.
Do a flip!
Yo, $20 if you can land it.
Yo, Chase, go run and do a front flip right here. Oh, he's wildin'!
Come on. No.
Oh, he's wild! Jay, look!
We got you surrounded.
Come on with your hands up! I smell like some good weed. Oh yeah. How the fuck did he get up there? Oh yeah, Chase.
Yo, chill. Yeah, let him go.
Oh yeah, Chase. Oh yeah, Chase. Yo, Chase. Oh yeah. Jay, go!
How do you even get up, bro? How do you even get up? No, okay, I was like, damn, bro.
Jay! Oh shit! Yo, Jay! Jay! I'm gonna. Oh shit! Oh my, yo, this nigga got a shield. Oh my God, you're so smart. This is war!
Yo, the feds come, we violating them. What's the vibe? Yo, the feds come, we throwing daddy.
What's the fuck, Trey Young?
Fuck
Trey Young!
Fuck Trey Young!
Fuck Trey Young!
Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young! Fuck Trey Young!
Yo! Fuck Trey Young!
Fuck Trey Young!
Fuck Trey Young!
Oh shit! Oh legend! Oh shit! Oh shit, bro! What are we? We outside! We out! He fuck you, nigga! He violated your shit. Oh, they getting the cops!
Niggas saying we outside!
Fuck y'all niggas! Fuck you, bitch! Duck your head, nigga! Duck your head, nigga! Duck your fucking head! Oh shit! No, hell no! Get in that fucking car, nigga! Hi guys.
Hey, I'm hating being like a little prick, but Brandon lost the mic, and I feel like I have to get new ones. I don't want to be a prick though. It's lit. Got the blue shield potion.
Big part.
Got violated in the tree. Cops is getting ran. I mean, y'all gonna see everything, but yeah. I will be back. Right now, it's gonna be chasing Brandon, and yeah, Chase, take it away.
Alright, follow me, y'all.
Pussy! Look, it's still there. Yeah, that's my buzzball. Bye bye. Yo, what are we? We outside. Is it Cardi? Oh my God, is that Cardi? Is that actually Cardi? Yes. Yes. Yo, we bring the battlefield inside. The actually be here, nigga.
Here we outside.
He wildin'. No. This is a dead ass COD, bro. Yo, this shit like COD 2019. Oh shit, he got you. Oh, he got you. Are you tight, nigga? Buck, nigga. Get that shit out of here. Yo, good shit, yo. Yo, we appreciate you, man.
For us.
Chase, you fucking suck, nigga. Yo, my hands is colder than my ex-bitch heart.
That's crazy statement. Round two.
Make sure you move it.
Go.
Oh, you got him.
Yo, where the ref at? Flip.
Oh, he got him. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's done. Yeah. Stop me up. Oh, yeah.
Yo, wait, Christian. You a boiled glizzy or a fried one?
Hey, yo.
On her.
Hey, stop. She's smiling.
Oh. Shit.
She's tough.
Fuck out of here! Oh shit, Chase! Get back in blood, Chase! Oh yeah! Yeah, Chase! 1, 2, 3! I'm just a cameraman! I'm just a fucking cameraman! Oh shit! Not me, please. Please. He still wants to violate.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! No! Let's go! Yeah, cameraman, back, nigga! What's up? Oh shit! Oh shit!
I'm back, y'all. Got the mics. We're sturdy right now.
We got the police off the block.
Don't leave me. Wait, fake, you hold. I gotta put on my gloves. Oh, what happened to your glove?
It's in my pocket.
Too wet?
Yeah, no, I had to take it off so I could press the button and record on Chase's phone.
That kick somebody in the face.
Oh yeah!
We get it.
Fuck that nigga! Fuck that nigga up!
Oh, he's got ammo! He's fighting back!
Fuck that semi! Oh! I can pet him? Yeah. It's a girl?
Yo, free for all in the ring. Yo, Wolf.
Oh yeah! Everybody in the ring! Have a good day. Oh yeah, got you! Wait, keep playing another song. Play another song. Keep playing, keep playing. Wait, Chase. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Ah! Oh, my leg! I got a cramp! Oh yeah! 3 action man! Oh yeah, Jay! Oh yeah! Oh, he's wildin'.
3, 2, 1.
Jay. Yo, Jay, do a wheelie down. Do a wheelie down.
Watch out!
He almost had it.
This shit that hard.
Who would have tried standing up? Yeah, paddle that shit.
Oh yeah.
Shut the fuck up!
Do something. Do something, nigga. Yo, keep walking. USA! 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 Oh yeah! That's why your blood was block work, nigga! Yo, get the fuck out of here, gang! Yo, that shit was not pain, nigga! Alright, y'all. This is the real end of the video. I think, I don't know. But, it's for out here, y'all. Love you. 3X for life.